Protecting your vehicles from harsh weather doesn't always require building a permanent garage. A quality metal carport can provide year-round protection while costing significantly less than traditional construction. Today, we're reviewing the 20x20 FT Metal Carport, a heavy-duty two-car shelter featuring a reinforced galvanized steel frame, steel roof panels, and an all-weather design built to protect cars, trucks, boats, tractors, and other outdoor equipment. But does this large metal carport offer the durability and value homeowners are looking for? Let's find out. This 20 by 20 foot metal carport is designed for people who need reliable outdoor protection for multiple vehicles or large equipment. Its spacious design comfortably accommodates two standard vehicles while also providing enough room for SUVs, pickup trucks, trailers, boats, lawn equipment, or tractors. Unlike fabric carports, this model uses a full steel roof and reinforced frame to provide a stronger, longer-lasting shelter solution. Let's begin with the construction quality. The biggest highlight is the reinforced galvanized steel frame, engineered for improved strength and corrosion resistance. The steel roof panels provide excellent protection against sunlight, rain, snow, and falling debris while requiring very little maintenance. Its 20 by 20 foot footprint offers generous covered space for two vehicles or a combination of equipment and storage. The durable metal construction is designed to withstand outdoor conditions much better than temporary canopy-style shelters. Another major advantage is its versatility. This carport isn't limited to vehicle storage. It can also function as a covered workspace, outdoor equipment shelter, RV accessory storage area, or even a shaded location for recreational activities. The open-sided design provides easy vehicle access while allowing good airflow underneath the structure. Its black finish gives the shelter a modern appearance that blends well with many residential properties. In real-world use, the metal carport performs exactly as expected. The rigid steel construction provides excellent stability while protecting vehicles from UV exposure, rain, and seasonal weather. The spacious layout makes parking and maneuvering easy, especially for larger vehicles. Because there are no enclosed walls, ventilation remains excellent, helping reduce heat buildup during warmer months. For homeowners looking for dependable outdoor protection without investing in a full garage, this carport delivers practical everyday performance. So, is this 20x20 FT metal carport worth buying? If you're looking for a durable, spacious, and low-maintenance outdoor shelter for multiple vehicles or equipment, it's definitely worth considering. The combination of a reinforced galvanized steel frame, steel roof construction, 20 by 20 foot coverage, and all-weather protection makes it a strong solution for residential and rural properties. While assembly takes time and may require multiple people, the finished structure provides long-term protection and versatility that many homeowners will appreciate. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of outdoor structures, home improvement products, garage solutions, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.